good morning. Welcome back to our science online class. So this is teacher LM. So kids, today is Wednesday. Everybody, let's spell Wednesday. So Wednesday I spell Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay? So teacher LM, hope you have a great Wednesday. Okay? So let's see if you still remember our previous lesson last week. All right. So last week class, we learned about air pollution and its causes, right? So I told you last time what are the causes of air pollution. Okay, so as what you see, the earth is crying. It's sad because the air is not good. It's not healthy. Okay, so let's go back again. What are the causes of air pollution? So first, smoking. It's one of the cause of air pollution. Next, it's pesticides, factories, volcano eruption, smoke belching, and garbage. Okay, so these are the causes of air pollution. Okay, one more time. Smoking, pesticides, factories, volcano eruption, smoke belching, and garbage. All right, kids? Always remember, these are the causes of air pollution. And for this morning, kids, we're going to learn a new lesson, okay? So as what you see here, seasons, all right? Do you have any idea what are the 4 seasons? Yes, so that would be our lesson for this morning. Okay, so there are 4 seasons, kids. So the first season, we have spring. Okay, so look at the picture of the spring. If this season comes, there are lots of flowers and there are lots of leaves in the tree. Next, we have summer. All right, so if it is summer, people loves to go to the beaches. Okay, and next is fall. So during fall class, the leaves are falling from the tree. That's why this season called fall. And the last one, the last season is winter. So if it's winter, it is snowing. It's raining, snows. Okay, class. So again, the 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Okay? So everybody, let's spell spring. Okay, spring I spell S-P-R-I-N-G. Excuse me. Summer I spell S-U-M-M-E-R. Okay? Fall I spell F-A-L-L. And the last one, winter, I spell W-I-N-T-E-R. Okay? So these are the 4 seasons. All right, so now let's get to know the different kinds of season class. Okay, so the first season is spring. Okay, so spring, let's get to know what happened in the spring. Okay, so again, one more time, everybody, how do you spell spring? Spring, I spell S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. All right, so let's get to know about spring. So spring class, when the weather becomes warmer, plants and leaves start to grow and flowers appear. Okay, class, if spring comes, a lot of flowers blooming and a lot of leaves coming from the tree. It's all green. Okay, so that is spring. All right. Next season, it's summer. Yes, summer. I like summer. So this season class, summer, let's spell summer first. Summer I spell S-U-M-M-E-R. Okay, one more time. Summer. Okay, that is summer. So, season of the year between spring and autumn, when the weather is the warmest. Okay, so if the weather is warmest, that is summer. Okay, oh, people love to go to the beach. That's why the kids bringing their towel want to go to the beach. Okay. Next one is fall. Okay, class. Fall, as what you see, the boy is sweeping the leaves from the ground because the leaves from the tree it's falling down. Okay, so what happened to this season? So this season, class, when the fruit and crops ripen, and the leaves fall from the trees, season that comes between summer and winter. So this season fall, it comes between summer and winter. Okay, so always remember, if the leaves are falling from the tree, like a lot, there's nothing left on the tree, there's no leaves left on the tree, that is fall. Okay, and the last season, class, it is, okay, everybody loves this. All right, so as what you see, snow. So this season is winter. Okay, so the coldest season of the year, it's when some places in the world gets snow. So winter, class, is the coldest season of the year. Okay, here in Cambodia we don't experience winter because Cambodia is an Asian country, so we cannot experience snowing, okay, or winter. It's only in the country which has snow, all right? Okay, so that's all about the four seasons. Again, class, what are the four seasons? Everybody, we have fall when the leaves are falling. We have summer if it's really hot and it's the warmest season of the year. And we have winter when it is snowing, and spring when the flowers and the leaves started to bloom again. Okay, so that would be all for this morning, class. Please do your worksheet, okay? Do your worksheet and practice the spelling of the four seasons. That would be all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.